All right, everyone, just a quick video today with the election over and Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs. I thought it would be good just to tell users who don't know that different ways that you can trade Bitcoin and crypto-related things if you are a stock-only trader, right? If you're someone who has, like myself, who's got most of your money with real brokers as opposed to exchanges that have problems, that type of thing. You just open up a new channel bar. So just go new and dock channel bar, click on blockchain mining. You can see the logo right here. And if you click on that guy, then it comes up with this channel. So what we've done is we've created a couple scans here. And these are just scans of lists of names that are related to crypto in some way. It says blockchain mining, but some of these, like Coinbase, for example, are not mining. ETHE, for example, is just the Ethereum ETF. You can see, right, a lot of these things are gapping up pretty high. On top of that, we've got the races, we got the tree maps, we got all of these different things where we've got the only thing down on the day is this one, which is the short ETF for Bitcoin. So just because, and I see this a lot, just because people are like, oh, I don't want to put my money on a crypto exchange and figure out all that, it doesn't mean you can't trade crypto, right? We have that ability with stocks. And it's one of those things that's great about the stock market is if you want to trade Forex, you can do that. If you want to trade other people's countries, you can do that. If you want to trade other people's securities like China or something like that, you can do all of that on the US stock market, which is one of the massive benefits to it. So if you're looking to trade crypto today, if you're looking to get involved in crypto like I am, make sure you go over to this one right here and you take a look at this blockchain mining because you can figure those out. Now, some of these things that I'm just going to look at right away is we all know MSTR, and MSTR is, let's just go out here and we'll go to a big daily chart. So this MSTR, I like this one because it's got a little bit of a short float in it. This has been really, really strong even before this breakout in Bitcoin today. That's a good one. Coinbase is going to obviously benefit if crypto remains strong. This one's been a bit of a laggard, but could be looking to move now. Robinhood is obviously going to gain if crypto does well. So you can see that one gapping up here as well. Some of the miners, right? Mara is another one. This one has earnings, but this one has a 27% short float, although that doesn't represent much in the days to cover, but still pretty good short float. And we have WULF, Wolf. This is one that is a nuclear and green energy based crypto miner with a 17% short float. So these are just going to be some names that I'm watching, but definitely, just know that I just hear this a lot from traders saying, oh, I want to trade crypto, but I don't want to put all my money on an exchange. Well, there's a lot of ways that you can get exposure. And if Bitcoin breaks out and this breakout is real and it continues, you'll get the benefit from just trading the US stock market.